Hi, it's Wednesday. You are halfway through the week and we have a holiday on Friday. So you have today and you have tomorrow of work and then you're done for the week. On math today, you are going to do lesson 13-4 in your little Teaks book. Then for science, we are going to continue our project where we are doing the weather for 4 days. So you can put your paper into 4 parts. That's kind of like our math. 4 equal parts. You can do your paper and then label what day, and then you can tell me how the weather is for that day. Yesterday, Lindsay did a really cute part on hers. She asked me what the temperature was on my phone. So we put 81 degrees because that's what it was when we did it. And we did sunny, warm, 81 degrees. And then she drew a picture, she did a little box and drew a picture of the sky and the sun in the sky. So it's real simple. Just kind of make it sound like the meteorologist on the weather on the news. For your phonics today, you're going to pick 4 of your spelling words. You're going to write a sentence using each one of those. And then for reading, you're going to use a couple of your vocabulary today to ask your child a couple of questions. The first one is you're going to ask them to act out how you would teach a lesson about being fair. And then you're going to ask them to describe a tale that they have heard or read that is nonsense. If they don't come up with one immediately, Dr. Seuss did a lot of nonsense stories. So just those 2 questions, and then you don't have to write them down, just ask them and let them show you and tell you and have a conversation about that. Then for the actual reading part, you are going to do Thank You, Mr. Aesop again. And it starts on page 193. This time you're going to echo read. And the way we do echo reading is you will read the sentence first, and I go ahead and point in their book. So you would read, Aesop lived a long, long time ago. And then they would go, Aesop lived a long, long time ago. And this will help them to see the word and read the word, and it'll develop that practice and that what we call fluency. Reading, knowing when to pause for commas, knowing when to pause for periods, and it helps them to make sense of the story as they're reading. And it'll have them practice. They'll see the word more than once, and eventually they will start reading those words very quickly. We see a lot of growth whenever we do the echo reading. And you can do echo reading with any books that you have at home. You can do echo reading with any electronic books that you find on the internet. YouTube has read alouds that you can also do that with. You just track with your finger on the screen. So make sure that you are reading. That is our biggest push. Make sure that you're reading. And I will see you tomorrow.